Atma Namaste, welcome to Unique Tarot 1111. And today I want to teach you all about inner child meditation. I have a little photograph of myself as well. So, what is inner child meditation and why is it important to an adult, right? So, inner child meditation is something every one of us is required to do, because I have so many counseling patients coming to me where they have an adult pattern because of repetitive childhood trauma or abuse, and it was much required and much asked video of mine, and so I just decided to give it a try and help all of you who cannot afford any healings or afford to book any meditation. This is one stop solution for all of you who are looking to find out what is inner child meditation. So the benefits after doing this is that you will stop or break the pattern that you are stuck in as an adult. So a little child in you who wanted all the love and you wanted to feel seen, heard, cared for during your childhood, and it must always not be parents, right? So maybe it can be parents who have hurt you, it can be your siblings, it can be your friends, anyone during your childhood, whoever have caused you the first point of pain, would be someone who would have hurt you so deeply that as a child you carry it, and then as an adult you repeat a cycle or pattern that you unknowingly are creating it for yourself, and you're not able to break it at all. So it could be relationships, repeating patterns of attracting toxic people around you. So it creates a sense of familiarity in you, right? So in childhood, maybe you had an abandonment issue, your father, mother, sibling, or somebody passed away even. So if you have all those issues, then you might repeat it by attracting someone who is going to avoid your emotional needs as a partner, or you might attract friendships or bosses who are not so great for your mental health at all. And then you are suddenly realizing that, wait a minute, this seems very familiar to me, and it might be taking me to childhood memories. So you're not alone. We've all been there. So wonder what will happen when I'm doing the meditation. While I tell you how to do the meditation, let's see what emotions come out. Let it flow. All right. So let's begin. So I want all of you to go to a very calm room with least disturbance or no disturbance. So I learned a couple of meditation techniques through reading and learning and helping my clients, and also from somebody called Dr. Karen Wells. I did her inner child meditation and she has been awesome. You can go look on Udemy if you want more details about her meditation as well. This is not a paid promotion, guys. I did find a lot of relief after doing this, so I just want to send out gratitude to the person who I learned these techniques from, and of course I did do a lot of reading about inner child. I helped thousands of clients come out of their pattern, and they have achieved great relationships thereafter. Lucky you that you found this video. So let's start. So now you are heading to a calm room. So you would like to lie down. That is what I would suggest. And if there are sounds outside or inside, anywhere that you are, that's okay. Let it flow. So take 1 or 2 good minutes to settle down into that bed, or the floor that you're lying, or the chair that you might be sitting, whatever it is. Just feel very comfortable now. And as you slowly relax and feel comfortable in that position, I would like all of you to start to close your eyes very slowly and be in confidence that this video is definitely going to bring you out of all the traumas, all the abuses, all the hurt your heart's been through. Today is the day it's all going to release, and today was the divine timing for it. So slowly relax into that bed, and as you relax and relax further, I would like you to feel whatever emotions are coming to you. You are scared, maybe you don't know where this is going, what this meditation is about even. So it's okay, let all those thoughts come through. I want you to think about whatever is flowing. Even if you're thinking, did I switch off the gas? Whatever it is coming to your mind, let it flow. Think about all of it, and slowly, very slowly, Go into deeper, deeper relaxation and feel that all the cells, all the muscles, all the tissues in your body are at ease. And even the thoughts that are negative, which are flowing, is only helping you further relax. Further relax. Twice as relaxed as you are, you're slipping slowly into a world of meadows. So, slowly, I want you to enter a beautiful, safe place, what you thought was in your childhood. So, I want you to go into a safe place. Maybe it was your room, maybe it was a temple near your house, wherever you feel was your safe place. I want all of you to reach that safe place. Take as much as time that you want to reach here. There is no hurry. We don't want any hurry on this place. The safe place is so safe, and you felt so happy and cozy in your childhood that you want to revisit and be in that safe place. And remember, while you are searching for your safe place, and if you don't know where that safe place is, slowly imagine a white light in your heart. Okay, in your heart or heart chakra. If anyone knows where your heart chakra is, it is near your chest. So if you don't know, it's okay. You can just imagine or affirm mentally that you are having a very beautiful light, brilliant golden light near your heart chakra. This is the safest meditation that you could ever ask for. So that beautiful light in your heart is the guiding light for your safe place. So even if you feel as an adult, it is difficult to find, take some good time to find that good place. And don't worry, you are not going there as a child. You are going to the safe place as an adult. As an adult, you're going to this place and you are there now. Now slowly, very slowly, recollect your childhood days and memories. Who you were with, who was your best friend, where are they all in your safe place? Did you invite them to your safe place? Where are your parents? Where's your mom? Where's your dad? Who was around you during your childhood the most? Imagine all of them in and around you and go back to your childhood memory a bit and recollect all the events of the childhood. Happy, negative, sad, anything. Just relive a bit of childhood for me right now. And once you have done that, take some good time to dwell in these memories of that child. Now suddenly, if at all, you are able to pinpoint that first event where you felt insulted, where you first felt neglected, where you first felt that this is the end of the world, where you felt like moving away from your parents, siblings, friends, school, teacher, anyone who caused you hurt, harm, or any kind of neglect or abuse, then imagine that person as an adult. You are just an observer here and don't get into your child self. So you are in the safe place, but however, as an adult, you're standing aside and you're observing your child, which is your inner child, who you were as a child. That is called inner child in this meditation. So your inner child, imagine her or him sitting there, standing there, experiencing all the negativity from whoever caused that negativity. And I want to tell you that this is the moment that you want to observe what kind of feelings that you're feeling here. Are you feeling scared? Are you feeling vulnerable? Are you feeling helpless? Nobody to protect you? Are they your parents because you cannot stand up and you're just a child and adults are, causing you harm? Or was it the same age friends who insulted you, abused you, teased you for whoever you are? So now you as an adult observe all of this, and now we are slowly going to intervene here. We are going to stand up for ourselves because in childhood we could not protect our own selves and we could not stand up for ourselves. So now slowly, very slowly, you are going to watch what's happening to your inner child and who's causing that hurt as an observer. And you, my dear friend, will go near your own inner child as adult self and stop the abuse or neglect or abandonment or whatever was that negative scenario that you were imagining. You are going to intervene now. You are going to stand up for your own self and protect that little child who definitely needed the help, support, love, care, and someone to stand up for that child. So it'll be you right now who's going to go back and stand up for that child. So you can either control the person who is trying to abuse the child and go and stand in between. This is all imaginary, so visualize however you want to protect yourself, or you can simply hug your inner child now. Slowly, very slowly, you are going to hug your inner child. You're going to push that person away or stand up and, yell, shout, whatever you want to express, which you couldn't. It might not be right, so don't worry about right or wrong because this is just an imagination. So, whatever you wanted to do back then, which you couldn't do, you have to come out of your comfort zone and now finally stand up for yourself. So, push that person, yell at that person, just go away from that person by holding your inner child's hand and pull the inner child away from that scenario. Hug your inner child, be with your inner child, and then I want you to slowly do all of this. Take some good pause now. Maybe you will get some nice music while you imagine all of that I have told for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to pause now. Now that you have successfully stood up for your own self, and you have hugged your inner child, now there is a small twist that I want you to do, which I didn't see in any meditation. So I'm adding my own, different technique here. So what I'm going to suggest now is, I want you to slowly hold the hand of your inner child and pull that inner child away from that scenario. Actually, bring the child out of that scenario, from the house or wherever this experience you had, even if it was your safe place, even if it was the safest, still you experienced all this there, right? So now you might be so scared of that safe place even. So your memories are so stuck in the past. So I want you to pull your own inner child outside that situation or scenario or room or house or wherever it was. Come out and then hug the inner child, pamper the inner child, and utter these words to the inner child. I'm so sorry this happened to you, and I was not around when this happened to you. Now that I am here, I'm going to protect you. Whenever you need me, I am around. I'm always there, and we are both one. And I have the capability and the capacity and the strength to stand up for you. I am the only person who's going to stand up for you. So stop looking outward or elsewhere. I'm here now. I'll always be here. So come with me. And bring the inner child to your current reality. Now, this we have not seen before, right? You're already smiling. You're feeling so good. You're feeling successful and maybe even top of the world. So you want to bring the inner child and show your current world to the inner child. Show how successful you are. Show what all you have achieved. If you've still not achieved anything, it's okay. Show how much shelter your inner child has, the food your inner child has, the smallest things that you could think of that you're grateful right now. Show the new reality and the world to your inner child and what all can be achieved as an adult. Now, imagine your inner child seeing all the facilities, amenities your inner child has now as an adult. So now, you are going to hug the inner child, and that light that you had imagined in your heart, now I hope the same light in your heart is glowing there. Now you hold your hand towards your chest and affirm, I am not who I was when I was a little child getting hurt or abused. I am much stronger. I have a lot of courage. I can stand up for myself. I am raising my vibration to higher vibration right now. I attract the right things, right people, and right places for me. And even if I attract the wrong things, I know how to fight for myself, stand up for myself, and learn my lessons, what my soul was meant to learn. This is what you will affirm, and keep that child somewhere safe in your heart, because the safe place now is your own dear heart. So let that light and your little child go to your heart and keep it safe there always. And you both need each other and be with each other all the time. So this is what it is. And now I slowly want you now relax a bit more, feel all the emotions of happiness or vulnerability, whatever that you're feeling, and come back to your room and reality. Leave everything behind, relax furthermore, and on the count of 1 to 20, slowly come back to your body and reality and leave all the imaginations and visualizations away. Come back to the room where you first lay down for the meditation. Come back, relax, and very gently open your eyes, wiggle your toes, and move your fingers, and realize that you're back to normal right now. And after you feel very relaxed, come back and stop this meditation. Now take a pause and recollect how you felt, and within half an hour to 1 hour, if possible, or within 24 hours, I would like you to note down all the feelings that you are feeling. Whatever it is, overwhelmed, sad, happy, strange, whatever it is, note down and do comment below how you felt after the meditation. And I hope I could do my bit by helping one and all do this beautiful, beautiful meditation. And I hope you really know what this small meditation can do to you and your life. It's magical, and you are truly blessed if you are able to successfully finish this. Thank you so much. Atma Namaste.